Broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Good to be back. Good morning, Stephen, Chris. Good morning. Guys, very good morning. Very good morning, guys. It is Monday the 13th. Hubba hubba. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, guys. Fellas, just a very quick announcement before we go. And I'll probably have to make this again. We had a number of tornadoes last evening. The closest to us was about 2 miles, 2.5 miles. In any event, I have lost power several times again this morning. There are still some storms coming through. So if I lose power, i.e. the webinar abruptly ends or, my charts, whatever, Ninja shuts down, just keep trying to log back in and I will certainly reboot. Okay? In any event, we're here. Guys, I hope you all had a blessed Easter. Friday may have been the longest day of my entire life. No markets, no trading, nowhere to go, nothing to do. But we're here. Got a new week starting. And if any of my trial members are here, doesn't look like they've registered yet. Good morning and welcome. In any event, guys, let me quickly read the disclaimer. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. There is our disclaimer. We're good to go, fellas. We're good to go. Bonds are short on the bot. There's first target on bonds. I would expect gold to roll. My wife just texted me. Okay, there we go. I'm at 34.5, guys, for a final target. ES went, got that first target, 71. Come on, gold. Go get 34.5. Going to have to get down through 38.7. Got to get through 38.7. It's holding 7. Come on, dog. There, it's through. It drops stop to 41.5, 41.6. 830. We're bouncing. Damn it. We got to 38. Man, we're going to bounce up. I'm ready to close this. Come on, drop. Drop. All right, we're dropping again. Come on. Let's go, sellers. My stop's at 41.6, fellas, and I'm about ready to kill it. Come on. Give me sellers. Got sellers, small, 85, 86, 88. Here we go. Come on. Next level down should be 37.1. If we take out that swing, 37.1, 36.3, and then target at 34.5. Here we go. Come on, get that swing. There it is, back to it. There it is. One ticked it. 37.1 should be next. 37.1. The 377 got its target. I mean, both targets. Got to 37.5. Still have sellers. All right. Come on, right back. My stops dropped down to 41, 40.8. But I'll hit close long before that, guys. Somebody tell me where VWAP is, please. Again, I don't have it on my chart. $38.4. Thank you. We're below VWAP. Okay. There we go. We should get our 34.5 now. We just hit 36.3, 37.1. Come on. Nothing below 35.8. You can drop stop all the way down to 39.2. Can actually go lower than that. You can go to 38.6, 38.6. Got a 20 tick cushion in there. Trying to get 34.50, fellas. This is in the leader follower. This will be a one and done today. I'll be done. All right. Come on. We got buyers. Dang, we came close. 36. Come on. 15 more ticks. ES is still longs. Come on, lose those buyers. What time is it? 9:39. Another candle in. There it goes. 22 seconds. 60 tick runner, guys. Almost a 70 tick runner. There's the new candle. Could pop back up to 39.3. Come on. Give us that 34.5. Look at how thin it is. Look at the numbers on your DOM. That seller still 42 small. I'm on the close, guys. Come on, drop down. All right, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out, guys. Came close. 62 tick trade, though. Okay? 62 tick trade. You guys good? You guys good? And here it comes to my target. You are a stink face. It's going to get that 34.5. So here it is on the bot. Here it is on the bot. There's target. Almost. There's target. Target 1, target 2 hit, still going. Okay, fellas? Nice way to start our Monday. All right, guys, hang on. I got nice trade. You going to the gym? Hang on, guys. What gym? I got to send link. NASDAQ bot. Let's see what we get here. This is the full contract, guys. This is not the micro. We're going to short. That's what it looks like. It's all sellers so far, but they're small. Again, Europe is closed. Come on, NASDAQ, roll over. There we go. Nope. It wants a long on the small time frame. ES is still selling. NASDAQ has to sell. It's got to roll. Sideways, guys, but I think it's got to roll. It's trying. Yeah, you got small buyers now, 50 buyers. Come on, gold. Do your thing. Gold's got to push up through about 42. It's got to break here, 42, 42.1. That's what's stiffing it. That should get to first target or pretty close to it. There we go. Come on, gold. Just broke that little bit of resistance. Guys, that first target's at 40 ticks on the 3-minute. Trade it into that trend line. It's got to pop that trend line. It'll get it on the next 3-minute candle if it doesn't get it here. Could get to 46.5, where that final target is. "104-year-old woman who is a coronavirus survivor." God bless. It's pushing this stupid trend line, fellas. Next candle in 1 minute and 5 seconds. NASDAQ is pushing resistance at 92. If it can break out above maybe 94, 95, could trade back above 82.15. Come on, dog. There it is. Oh, hit target, no fill. Hit it to the tick. again. Next candle in 10 seconds. It'll get it on. If it doesn't get it here, it's getting it on the next candle.
Order filled.
Crude filled short on the 3-minute. Crude filled short on the 3-minute bot.
Order filled.
ES is trying. ES gets up above 35, it could trade back up to 38 and then 42, but it has to go above 35. Not going to do it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Now crude is getting a bid.
Target filled.
There's first target on gold. And there goes ES. Trying to get above 35. Above 35, ES can go to 45, guys. Still can't beat 35. Now if it drops below 28, it's going to get hit again. 28 is kind of the line in the sand. It's trying to break that 28. There it is. Broke 28. Next area of support is 24.75, maybe 25. If that goes, we're coming down to 17. And it's back above 28. We're just screwing around in a small area on this ES. Gold's gone break even +1 on the bot. I'm going to move that off the screen. ES, if it breaks here at 24.50, is going to get smacked again. It broke. It's holding S1 at 24. A break below that, we could really get hit. Come on, give up the ghost. God dang it, man. Seriously. Break below 24. Let's go. Just kill it. Down to 17 and then 05. There it goes. Nothing here. I mean, this should be at 20. There's nothing there. God dang.
Order filled.
So slow. Or at least trying. It's really sideways, but that's crude on the bot, guys. It's 2-contract trade. Gold keeps, here's gold on the bot. Gold keeps walking into this trend line all the way up. We'll eventually get to that, I think, second target. Dollar is bid marginally. Well, if you like slow, we're coming to 17 eventually, guys. If you want to sit tight, we're coming to 17. If you're in it, we're coming to 17. NASDAQ, if it breaks 54, could work down to 81.32. Nice spike down to 10 on the bot. Got nothing in silver. I've got nothing really anywhere other than the ES, which I think comes to 17, maybe half. Break below 17, we start working down to 05. Yeah, the ES is trying. Got issues at 31 and 35. NASDAQ's trying also. NASDAQ could get back up over over 82. Guys, it's a pretty cruddy trade. There's just no volume. Gold is still hanging in there. Hasn't gone to that final target yet.
Order filled.
Crude hasn't come to a target yet. There goes crude. Come on, crude. There we go. Who was it, Rick? Did you get a name? I mean, I'd be happy with just one burst in any direction. All right, here comes the bot on crude. If it can get to first target, I've got it set for break even +1. There it comes. Oh, looks like it came 2 ticks from target. 2 ticks from target, guys.
Target filled.
First target hit on the bot. I don't know why that didn't go. I must not have the break even button on. Well, there's no Europe. It cannot get worse than it is now. It can't. There's no Europe. And here comes crude to second target. So for those of you guys that are, there you go, 76 ticks on 2 contracts in crude. For those of you guys that are here to see the robot, if you're unfamiliar with the robot and how it works, here comes that 17, fellas. About time. Below 17, this gets really ugly. Just so you know, the robot is assessing up to 4 time frames. So it's effectively like trading 5 charts simultaneously, right? The primary chart, which in this case is 3 minute, and then correlated charts. In this instance, and in most, I use two time frames. So in this instance, I'm using a 177 and a 233 tick. Why those time frames? Because vis-a-vis back testing and forward testing, we found that that's what works best with crude and some of the other instruments. The more filters you ask it to work with, Trump is tweeting, the more filters you ask or program, it's like anything else, right? The fewer trades you're going to get. Now, the 3 minutes basically don't take a ton of trades anyways. This one took a trade at 848 long on crude. I generally don't turn my crude on until 9 o'clock, so I wouldn't have this trade. But that's another winning trade here. But this short is a big winning trade. So the bot identifies stops and targets. They're not generic. So 28 tick first target, 46 tick second target is not a generic target. The stops are not generic either. The bot is using a multiple of average true range, and at the point of entry is identifying the average true range and then the multiple that we've set to identify stops and targets. Okay? So it auto trails, go auto break even, which I must not have it checked on the settings on this particular chart. I did in gold. And then it auto trails as price is moving in our favor. Okay? This can probably be shut off at this point because unless it goes back long, there's going to be no trade. There won't be another trade. So what I could have done was move that second target manually further out. And in the ensuing version that we have coming at some point, there will be a third target out there. Second target hit on gold. Gold's up 1100. It's off unless that rolls over and dies, which it doesn't look like it's gonna. That's not going to take a trade. Russell, I'm going to shut Russell off. That's not going to take a trade. It should have taken a trade here. I didn't have it on. First, it would have gotten targets. I just didn't have it on. So that's done. Silver would need to turn up and roll over to get a trade. ZB is still in that long from earlier today. Has not gone to stop, has not gone to targets. Oh, thank you, Sal. That could be it. That could be it. We're below 17. We're coming to 05, guys. 05, maybe 6. That's where ES is headed. Bonds, they're in the long. They've been in the long since back here at 10:10. So almost an hour, but they've pulled back, but nothing. No target. So we'll see what we get.
Order filled.
First target on the bot. It's gone break even +1. The break even button is on, so break even +1. So either gets for second target or not, but can't be a losing trade. This 18 is a problem area for the ES now, again. I'll give you guys some totals. That's Russell, nothing. Here's gold on the robot, guys. Both targets hit, up 1100 on the day. I've shut it off. It's off. It's still going, but it's off. Okay. Nothing on the ES bot, silver bot, nothing. It's off. Unless it dumps again, it'll fire a trade, but it's off because generally 11 o'clock, right? NASDAQ off, nothing. Crude, 760. Got a winner on the short on the NASDAQ and a loser on the long. But 760 on crude, that's off. And bonds, first target is hit and second target is 2 ticks away. And then on my 2 live accounts, the leader follower, my live account here, this is a live account if you're here on trial, is up 622. And then my other live account is currently up 184.30. I was down almost 900 here. So I've kind of chipped away at it. So between the two, 620, 720, $800 between my 2 accounts. You're welcome, Ryan. Did you make some money today? This is a garbage little trade. There's not much we can do about it. There's no volume. But we made money again. All right. As long as you made money, guys, that's the key. Doesn't matter how much. Just make money. It all adds up. It's a sloppy, sloppy trade today. There's just no volume. So this is it. Bonds are up $812 today. Okay.